Okay, so we're just gonna touch up, we call it customizing a gear shift finisher. So we're just gonna spray a little silver because this was a dark silver, so we're gonna put a brighter silver in it. So it's gonna highlight in the night. It's gonna show like a chrome finish. I wanna make sure this gun in a point spray. That's good enough, you see that?
Yeah. After wet sanding the interior trim with 600 grit paper, you can then tune the gun to a low air setting to paint. You want to make sure that you don't have a lot of air pressure because this can cause the job to turn into a disaster. After spraying the first coat, you want to give it a 20-minute cure time. Then follow up with about 3 to 4 coats to ensure proper coverage.
So I'll give you 20 minutes again. Walk away, let it dry again. Alright, so that's final finish now. So I'm going to give 20 minutes again, put some clear coat over it, I'll shine over it. Okay, this clay I'm going to use here is a very high build clay. Very, very expensive clay, so we're going to use this as a 2-to-1 clay. That custom piece. This is all for plastic. It's 2-to-1, I know the measurement, so that's why I didn't use any ruler or stick. So we're gonna really stir it up properly. Now it's a quick job, so I really want to spend too much time. So I'm just gonna turn it over upside down. That's about it.
When applying clear, you want to hold the gun about 6 to 8 inches. First application of clear will be light. Second application will be thick.
So this is 10 minutes every coat. So I put 2 coats, so I get a bit of break for 10 minutes.
Thank you for watching this short video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for great content. Also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thank you.